How to cancel your 3 mobile number account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply text PAC to 65075 if you want to keep your number. So if you want to get a new number, what you should do is simply text STAC to 75075. So I will repeat again. If you want to keep your number, you need to text PAC to 65075. And if you need to, get a new number, you would need to text STAC to 75075. So after doing that, you will actually be given a code. All you need to do is give that exact code to your new provider. And once you give that code to a new provider, that's all you need to do. They will basically activate your number under their new carrier, and after that, 3 will cancel your contract and send a final bill to you via mail. And that's all you need to do in order to cancel your 3 mobile account permanently. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.